Hey grant cousins, today I'm very excited to share this grant with you. We have a brand new grant that is giving out up to $250,000 worth of grants. So the application just opened, so keep watching to learn more.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go.
This grant is called the Beyond Open Small Business Grant Program. Beyond Open is a $20 million small business grant program administered by the Foundation for the Carolinas and made possible with support from the Wells Fargo Open for Business Fund. The Beyond Open Grant Program will help diverse small business owners in Charlotte and Mecklenburg build wealth by investing in capital assets such as equipment, technology, and inventory and real estate. Beyond Open grants are in three categories of support from $5,000 to $250,000. And this will enable small businesses from startups to established businesses to invest in capital assets for a variety of needs. Beyond Open grants do not need to be repaid. Foundation for the Carolinas recognize that nonprofits are critical to the community vitality and offers opportunities for a wide variety of nonprofit grants, programs, and support available for review at FFTC.org. The foundation recognized nonprofit organizations as businesses, and they're pleased that Wells Fargo has included them on the list of eligible business entities. While nonprofits in the community are eligible to apply, you must pay attention close to the eligibility criteria and focus areas because Beyond Open grants to participating nonprofits will be highly selective and subject to the same process as for-profit companies. Nonprofit organizations considering applying should consider their ability to make a clear connection between the capital asset for which Beyond Open grants funds will be used and the positive impact on the reported financial income of the organization. So it says, while we know nonprofits do good work, it can be difficult for many to meet the standard required for this grant program. For example, a grant requesting funding for an existing program or service expansion is unlikely to be awarded. So I am putting this grant out because I know you guys have commented and emailed me about what are some grants for nonprofit organizations. So to be eligible for this grant, you must be a diverse business owner, and that means you must be a minority, a woman, a veteran, LGBTQ in Charlotte, Mecklenburg, I hope I'm saying that right, are eligible to apply for Beyond Open Small Business Grants. Now, the priority and special encouragement will be given to the companies located in, near, or with substantial business activity centered around one of the 6 corridors of opportunity. So I put a list of those here on the screen, so you can just take a memory screenshot of if you are in those type of corridors of opportunity. Also, you must have a small business with 1 employee, which includes with the owner counting as an employee to 499 employees are eligible and are encouraged to apply. If you are a franchise, you must be an independent and locally owned franchisor. There are 3 types of grants in this program. So we have the Build for Success grant, which is from $5,000 to $20,000. Then that basically is the Build for Success grants will generally help new business and new emerging businesses meet the needs of smaller capital assets that can make a big difference. Examples of capital assets that could be funded by the Build for Success grants include the following assets that you see on the screen here. And then we have the Grow for Prosperity grant, which is from $20,000 to $100,000. And this Grow for Prosperity grants may be best suited for businesses that have established a foothold, reached a level of stability, and are ready to expand. A typical Grow for Prosperity grant could be used for these certain assets that you see on the screen here. And then the third one, we have the Make Bold Move grants, and they are issuing $100,000 grants to $250,000 grants. Okay. That's $250,000. So the MakeBow Grants could be the best option for long-term businesses looking to transform their future through acquisition of substantial capital assets. Now, a typical MakeBow Move grants could be used to purchase certain assets that you see on the screen here. So this grant deadline is October 28th, guys, 2022 at 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The ideal candidate for this grant is a small business that shows potential for growth, a clear connection between the capital assets you seek funds to obtain and how this asset will make a difference in the life of your small business. Numbers tell a part of the story, but they will consider any and all information you wish to share that can help them understand the problem that you face. Opportunities before you and goals for the future that a Beyond Open grant could help you solve and achieve. If you feel that any information requested does not tell the whole story, they ask to use the comment section in the application to offer additional information that you want to share to provide a complete picture. If you are unfamiliar with documents requested, do not have some documentation or financial information requested, let us know. They're here to help you. So the link to this grant application will be linked down below as always. If you have any additional questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. If you do not qualify, don't worry. Please share this video with someone who does. Remember, I have more grants. You guys just go check out the YouTube playlist that says grants, or go on designersoapbox.com/grants. You have more available to you right there. If you like this type of videos, please leave a thumbs up. I hope this video was helpful for you all. Let me know in the comment section if this grant is worth your time or if you would check this one out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.